Okay, so the TCP from the perspective of troubleshoot. So let's have the next slide. So this is the same slide that we have um already talked about in the previous segment. So, as I said, the TCP is a complete protocol suite. So this is not a one single protocol so that we can troubleshoot. When it comes to troubleshoot, you can see under TCP how many protocols uh, comes under. Okay, so these are all TCP. You can see we have FTP, we have secure shell, we have HTTP and HTTPS, we have like SMTP, we have Telnet. So there are so many applications that are using TCP. So troubleshooting the TCP is not an easy task. Okay, but you must have a very good and clear understanding about port numbers and protocols. But when it's come to the troubleshoot, the most important troubleshoot tool sets are ping command, because this is how we want to verify whether the other device, let's suppose we have these two computers and they are connected. If I want to check whether this computer is alive or not, I will ping with having the IP address of this computer. If I will get the reply back, it means the system is up and running and our TCP is working fine. Similarly, to verify whether on my system IP is working fine, I need to run IP config command. Similarly, the traceroute command is going to show us that the traceroute is working fine or not, which means if I have multiple path, the traceroute, if I will try to send a traceroute from my system all the way to the system that is sitting over here, and if I'll run a traceroute command, it will hit this one. Okay, then it will jump to this router. If it is okay, it will jump to this, and then reply will come back saying that um, hitted first router, hit it second router, hit it third router, hit it fourth router. It means all routers are working fine. If the reply comes back only from the three routers, means the fourth one is not appeared. It means I am having some issue right after this segment. So this one is okay. This one is having some issue. Similarly, we have net state command, then we have telnetting, and in the end, the Wireshark tool. This is going to be very handy in order to troubleshoot any TCP or UDP related issues, which we are going to cover in the next.